Zimbabwe is preparing to host the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, summit. This summit brings together leaders from 16 Southern African nations, serving as a platform for regional cooperation and integration. This year's summit carries significant weight. As Zimbabwe's political climate is tense and economic challenges persist, the summit will be a critical test for the nation. The summit offers Zimbabwe a chance to showcase progress and highlight its commitment to regional stability. However, the event also draws attention to Zimbabwe's human rights record. The government faces scrutiny from international observers, and domestic critics are also raising their voices. The summit's agenda includes discussions on economic development and regional security. Zimbabwe's ability to manage these complex issues is being closely watched. Zimbabwe has a complex history with law enforcement during political events. Previous elections and protests have been met with varying degrees of force. The government has often employed security forces to maintain order, which has sometimes led to accusations of human rights abuses. The use of force by law enforcement has drawn international criticism. Human rights organizations have documented cases of excessive violence. Opposition groups have accused the government of using law enforcement to stifle dissent. The government maintains that its actions are necessary for national security and argues that it is upholding the rule of law. The upcoming SADC summit presents a challenge for law enforcement agencies. They must balance security concerns with the need to respect human rights. The government will be under pressure to ensure the safety of summit attendees and to allow peaceful demonstrations.